The table above shows the kinds of foods that are fed to cats and dogs currently boarded at a pet care facility. What fraction of the dogs are fed only dry food? All right, so this is kinda. Well, it is a two-way table. They added the totals here. So what they care about, what we have to be careful of, because I know it's very tempting to use that 41, but we're not going to use the 41. Let's read this again. What fraction of the dogs are fed only dry food? So for the first time in my entire career, I'm going to say this phrase and I'll probably never say it again. We don't care about the cats. Ooh, I felt dirty just saying it. I didn't like it. What fraction of the dogs? We only care about the dogs. There's 25 of those. What fraction of the dogs are fed only dry food? So the total dogs are 25. Fed only dry food is going to be 2 of them. 2 out of 25 is going to be my answer, B. Just be careful, of the way it's worded with problems like these, because they try to trick you into thinking it's going to be out of 41, but it's not. It's out of 25. Gotcha.